What's up, you guys? It's your girl and Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, you guys, I filmed this really festive, Christmassy, sparkly red eye look for you guys. So there's really no long talking. I actually did do a voiceover, even though I wanted to do a talk through video, but yeah, I don't want a really long video, so yeah, you guys gotta talk voiceover. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. So first things first, I'm going to use my P.Louise base in Rumour 4, and this is just going to really help for my eyeshadows to pop. So I'm just packing this all over the lid with a flat concealer brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty sponge to blend this all out. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and just because the color of the concealer that I use for my brows and the color of the concealer that I use for my lids are two different colors, I do go ahead and buff that out to make a seamless transition. So for this red look, I'm using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and of course it is a red look, so I'm picking up the red shade and I'm just packing this all over my lid. So I just continued packing this on until I got my desired color payoff. I did not wing this color out, so I kept this shape in like a semicircle. So yeah, keep that shape and do not bring this red color too high, because then you'll have problems blending it out. Before I add any more color, I do go ahead with a clean, fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going around the edges of the red and just to diffuse that a little bit so that I don't have any harsh lines of demarcation. And to blend everything down, I go ahead and use this brown color, and I'm focusing most of that on my outer V. I do bring it in just a little bit, but it's a pretty diffused look. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm starting just at my crease on the outer V, as I said, and I'm just using circular motions to buff out the red. So once I got my desired blend, I do go ahead and take a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to wipe off the excess just to clean it up a little bit. So to add the star of the show, I'm using my NYX glitter glue, and I start off by putting the glitter glue on the back of my hand. I'm just getting my Morphe 221 brush, I believe, and it's just a very flat concealer brush that you would use for a normal cut crease. And then I'm just going to create a semi-arch, which basically is the same shape that you would use for a cut crease. And yeah, I'm just going to add the glue to my eyelids. So I typically start with doing a very light outline, and then I fill it in and go a little bit heavier with the glue. I also want to stress to you guys to do patting motions, because it's not like concealer where you can kind of swipe. The glue will start to take off the color underneath, so definitely make sure that you are doing small patting motions. So I actually just recently purchased these glitters from Wear Beauty, and I really do like them. I'm not sure the exact color that this red is, but I will have it linked in the description box down below. But basically what I'm going to do is I just put the glitter in the lid of the pan, and I use the same brush and just pat the glitter on wherever I put the glue. This process definitely takes patience. It takes a steady hand. You really just want to make sure that you're patient, because you kind of have to keep packing on the glitter to get an opaque glittery look. So yeah, just be very patient, keep your hands still, because you really don't want to get glitter above where you put the glue. Otherwise, every single time you blink, you're gonna have glitter all over your eyelids. So yeah, make sure that you are taking your time with this step. So I did use my Morphe blackout liner to do my winged liner off camera. So that's how it's looking with the glitter, and next I'm just going to go ahead and look down in the mirror and apply these lashes. And these lashes are actually from Amazon, believe it or not, but I will have everything listed in the description box down below if you guys are interested in these lashes. So moving on to the face, I'm using my new favorite primer, and this is the Milk Hydrogrip primer. I've had this for so long and I really did not realize how good it was, but this is definitely my new go-to primer. But anywho, I'm just going to put this all over my face before I add my foundation. So I'm just going to add my Fenty foundation in the color 430. I'm just going to put that on my face, and then I'm using my Morphe 431 brush to blend it all out. So I'm using my Fenty concealer in the color 430, and I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, underneath my nose as well. Raylan just came to say hi, my chin, as well as my forehead area. And just to brighten out my under eye, this step is optional. I like a brighter under eye. I do go ahead and use my Juvia's Place concealer in the color J12. And next I'm just taking a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this all out. And to contour, I'm using my Fenty Matchstik in the color Espresso, and I'm just using that underneath my cheekbones, my forehead area, as well as my temples. So this is how it looks, all nice and blended. I look like I have dimension to my face again. So next I'm just going to go ahead and set the areas that I just recently contoured. And to set those areas, I'm using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and the color that I'm using is called Abby. And to bring some warmth back into my face, you guys know I use my OG Fenty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, and I'm just putting that on the perimeter of my face, again just to bring some warmth back onto my skin. So to finish the look off, I go ahead and complete my under eye, and I'm using the red color, and I'm just putting that on right underneath my eyes, and then I buff it out with the dark brown color that I used on my lids. And then I just picked up this clean blending brush and I'm just buffing out the colors together. So next I'm just adding a bit of highlighter, and I'm using my Juvia's Place Royalty 2 highlighter. I'm just putting a little dusting of highlighter on my cheeks and on my nose as well, and then on my Cupid's bow. And then I am going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes, and that will complete the look. Fun and Christmassy. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you haven't already, definitely hit that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a like as well. And hopefully I will see you guys in another video. Oh my gosh. And hopefully I will see you guys in another video. Toodles!